Good morning. I am K. Palanivel, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today, I am going to the topic articles in differentiation. Differentiation is the essence of calculus. A derivative is defined as the instantaneous rate of change in function based on one of its variables. It is similar to finding the slope of a tangent of a function at point. Suppose you need to find the slope of the tangent line of a graph at point P. The slope can be approximated by drawing a line through the point P and finding the slope by the line that is known as the secant line. Differentiation satisfies the property of linearity. Differentiation operations involving limit for their determination. Differentiation, as discussed, is inverse process of each other. The derivative of any function is unique, but on the other hand, the integral of every function is not unique. Two integrals of the same function may differ by a constant. Upon differentiating a polynomial function, the degree of the result is less than the degree of the polynomial function, whereas in case of integration, the result obtained as a degree which is 1 greater than the degree of polynomial function. While dealing with derivatives, we can consider derivative at a point, whereas in the integral of a function over an interval is considered. Geometrically, the derivative of a function describes the rate of change of a quantity with respect to another quantity, while indefinite integral represents the family of curves positioned parallel to each other having parallel tangent at the intersection point of every curve of a family with the lines orthogonal to the axis representing the variable of integration. Differentiation is the branches of calculus where we determine the derivative and integral of a function. Differentiation is the process of finding the ratio of small change in one quantity with a small change in another, which is depend on the first quantity. On the other hand, the process of finding the area under a curve of a function is called integration. We can find the differentiation and integration of a function at particular values and within a particular range of finite limits. Differentiation is the essence of calculus. A derivative is defined as instantaneous rate of change is function. The slope of a tangent function in the point. Suppose you need to find the slope of tangent line to graph point. The differentiation can be defined as a differentiative of independent variable value and can be used to calculate futures in an independent variable per unit modification. The idea of differentiation is very simple. Real life examples, if we have quantity etc. example a number which has its natural order and we ask how it changes over time, we have a function and the derivative of that function is that rate at which the quantity changes. For example, we may have the number of people in a room at a moment in rate at which they enter and leave the room is a function. From time to time, the rate at which the people enter and leave the room changes. Since all the information about how many people change from entering to leaving is contained in the derivative function, we say that the derivative is the function that gives us the rate at which the number changes. Thank you.